Get your umbrella.
Is that fun, Kate?
Hey, Dad, you want to go with us?
I don't think so.
Please?
It rained pretty hard out there.
Please, Daddy? Please, Daddy?
Let's go.
No, Daddy!
What?
Where's your umbrella?
I haven't even used your umbrella.
No, yours. Mine.
Thanks, Delaney.
Let's go, Dad.
Oh, man! That's cold!
I know it.
Some cold rain.
You're not going to go out without your umbrella, Delaney?
I like my umbrella. I'm supposed to see that. You want to use your umbrella yourself?
Whoa, now it's really coming down. I dare you, Delaney. Run out and back.
Go, Katie, go! I dare ya! So, Kate's just drenched.
Hey, Katie, should we just go get you your shampoo?
Shampoo?
Yeah, you can take your shower out here in the rain.
Okay. Dad will need a shower.
Delaney was right.
Hey, Delaney. Delaney, do you want me to go get your shampoo for you?
What?
You can take a shower out in the rain.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah, mommy's just kidding. I knew you'd think that was...
No! Really? You want my umbrella?
Oh my gosh, I'm cold and I'm not even in the rain.
Here, feed you.
Yeah, I did see that.
No, this is... Would you like to take a video with me?
I am taking a video, Delaney.
Oh, fine, awesome. Let's go! That's not fun to rain too. Oh my God.
I'm sorry you guys didn't have fun.
I can do it. No pictures.
I'm not taking any pictures.
She's taking a video. Video?
Yeah.
No video.
Why not?
I go to video. No, that's not right now. Not right now though. It's not working.